Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. Hi, I don't think we've met before. My name is Anna.
Hello, Anna. I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just joined the group last week.
Oh, welcome. How are you finding it so far?
I like it a lot. Everyone seems very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that. What made you join?
I wanted to meet new people and improve my skills.
That's a great reason. What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, watching movies, and going for walks.
That sounds nice. Do you have a favorite movie type?
Yes, I like action movies, but I also enjoy comedies.
I like comedies too. They help me relax.
I agree. Laughing is important after a long day.
So, where are you from originally?
I'm from a small town near the coast.
That must be a beautiful place.
Yes, it is very calm and peaceful.
Do you miss living there?
Sometimes, but I like living in the city as well.
Cities have more opportunities, I think.
That's true. There is always something to do.
What do you do for work or study?
I work as a customer service assistant.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Most of the time, yes, I like helping people.
That's a good quality to have.
Thank you. What about you? What do you do?
I'm studying business management at university.
That's great. Are you enjoying your studies?
Yes, it's challenging, but very useful.
I'm sure it will help you in the future.
I hope so. Do you know many people here yet?
Not really. I'm still getting to know everyone.
Don't worry, people here are very welcoming.
I can see that. Everyone has been kind to me.
That's good to hear. Do you come here often?
I plan to come every week if I can.
Same here. It's a nice way to relax.
Yes, and it's great for meeting new people.
Would you like to grab a coffee later?
Sure, I'd like that.
There's a nice cafe nearby.
That sounds perfect.
We can continue talking there.
I'd like that very much.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. It was nice talking to you.
See you in a bit then.
See you soon.
Conversation 2. Hi there. Is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead. Please sit.
Thanks. I'm Maya, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Maya. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you too. Are you waiting for the workshop to start?
Yes, I am. It seems like we're a bit early.
That's true. I like arriving early. It's less stressful.
Same here. It gives me time to look around.
Is this your first time at an event like this?
Yes, actually. I wasn't sure what to expect.
I understand. I felt the same way last time.
Have you been to this workshop before?
No, but a friend recommended it to me.
That's good to know. Recommendations help.
So, what made you sign up?
I wanted to improve my communication skills at work.
That's a good goal. What kind of work do you do?
I work in logistics for an international company.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy it?
Most days, yes. It can be busy, but I like the challenge.
I feel the same about my job.
What do you do?
I'm a content writer for an online magazine.
That must require a lot of creativity.
It does, but that's what I enjoy most.
Do you work from home or in an office?
Mostly from home, but I come to the office once a week.
That sounds like a nice balance.
Yes, it helps me stay focused and social.
Speaking of social, do you usually find it easy to meet new people?
Not always. I'm a bit shy at first.
Same here. Starting a conversation is the hardest part.
But once it starts, it gets easier.
Exactly, like this conversation right now.
Yes, I'm glad we talked.
Me too. It makes waiting more enjoyable.
Are you hoping to practice your English here?
Definitely. I want to sound more natural when I speak.
That's a great aim. Practice really helps.
It does, especially when conversations feel real.
Would you like to practice together during the break?
I'd like that a lot.
Maybe we can share ideas and give feedback.
That would be really useful.
It looks like the workshop is about to start.
Yes, the speaker is coming in.
Let's talk again during the break.
Sure, I'll save you a seat.
Thanks, that's kind of you.
See you in a few minutes.
Conversation 3. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you, Sophia. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you too. Are you here for the language exchange?
Yes, I am. I heard it's good for practicing English.
It really is. I've been coming here for a few months.
That's great. Is this your first time here?
No, but I still feel a little nervous sometimes.
I understand. Meeting new people can be difficult.
Yes, especially when speaking a second language.
True, but everyone here seems very supportive.
I agree. People don't judge mistakes here.
That makes it easier to speak freely.
Exactly. So where are you from, Leo?
I'm from Argentina. How about you?
I'm from Italy, but I've been living here for 2 years.
That's interesting. Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It's different from home, but exciting.
I feel the same way. Everything feels new at first.
What made you join this language exchange?
I want to feel more confident speaking English at work.
That's a good reason. What do you do for work?
I'm an engineer.
I work with an international team.
That explains why English is important for you.
Yes, meetings are easier when I can speak clearly.
I'm a graphic designer, so I also work with international clients.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy it?
Very much. It allows me to express ideas visually.
That must be rewarding.
It is. What do you find most difficult about English?
Speaking quickly without thinking too much.
I have the same problem.
Maybe we can help each other practice.
I'd really like that.
We could meet here every week.
That's a great idea.
Do you usually practice English outside of work?
Yes, I watch movies and listen to podcasts.
I do that too. It helps with listening skills.
The event is about to start, I think.
Yes, they're calling everyone to sit down.
Let's sit together if you like.
Sure, that would be nice.
We can continue our conversation later.
Definitely. I'm enjoying this already.
Me too. I'm glad we met today.
Same here. It feels easy to talk.
See you after the session.
See you soon.